Come on, guys. How are you, everyone? How is your practice? Kawal, everyone, I'm doing fine. Great, everybody. Yes, I'm doing great. Come on, quickly. HTML, HTML5, CSS, CSS3. We did the major components, whichever highly essential. So now we are entering into JavaScript, the most important component in UI technologies. Okay. Without JavaScript, all web pages are static. With JavaScript, all web pages are dynamic. You guys already having idea of that. How many types of web pages are there? Yes, two types available. One is static, another one is dynamic. What is static? What is dynamic? Without JavaScript, static. With JavaScript and with programming, we are calling as dynamic. So I am entering into modern JavaScript. Modern JavaScript. Whatever the talent you are having in HTML, in CSS, in HTML5, in CSS3. Without JavaScript, all those are nothing. You guys need to remember these words. Modern JavaScript we are entering. So what is generally script meaning? How the script is working out? What are the major components in scripting involved? Right, a few realities. We come to know it. Introduction to JavaScript. Introduction to JavaScript. JavaScript is client-side programming. It was implemented by Braden H. It was implemented by Braden H. Netscape Corporation. Braden H. developed in Netscape Corporation in 1995. JavaScript initial name is live script. Please remember, live script very powerful. JavaScript is the most popular scripting language on the internet. I made several times this word. JavaScript is efficient, simple, powerful. All these words you come to know it very clearly. Who is the father of JavaScript, guys? Who is the father of JavaScript? Braden. Where he developed? In Netscape Corporation. In Netscape Corporation. What is the original name of JavaScript? What is the original name of JavaScript? Live script. JavaScript supports all web browsers. All web browsers. Please remember this. Someone open the video. Who opened the video, my dear? Shall I remove from the meeting? Please don't disturb others, my dears. I think some people newly entered into session because of JavaScript. 1 day, 2 day, 3 days coming and sitting in the JavaScript class, nothing happened. Please, you try to attend daily sessions, at least minimum to minimum 30 means 1 month classes. Then output will come. Right. Now we are entering into the next level. Live script is clear for you. So JavaScript mainly designed what purpose? To validate web applications. To validate web applications. JavaScript is a powerful client-side program. Powerful client-side program. Try to understand. Right, next level. All these terminologies you come to know it clear. JavaScript is actually interpreted base. Everyone can use JavaScript, easy and simplified one. Right. So I'm going to some more practical environment area, but JavaScript syntaxes are very close to. JavaScript syntaxes are very close to C syntaxes. Right. how JavaScript is working. Now, Internet Explorer or any web browser you can take, it is not the matter. Inside there is a web browser object. Inside there is HTML, DLL. There is a web page. How the scripts also getting executed, you can try to check it, the structure. And HTML viewer, web page level code available, third-party controls existed, and HTML object model, VB script or JavaScript engine. By default, Microsoft Internet Explorer supports VB script. Please remember that. By default, supporting VB scripting. I don't know how many you guys heard about VB scripting. Anybody you heard the name VB script? It is also very popular scripting from Microsoft. Yes, that is only we are calling Visual Basic. But this is VB scripting. There is a small difference between VB Visual Basic as well as VB script. Come to know it very clearly every point. Right. So once we are going to end this, I'm coming to basic level. Script is loosely, weakly typed programming. What is the meaning of loosely? What is the meaning of weakly typed programming? The meaning is here, not weak programming, weakly typed programming. These words very important. So what are that means of things we need to understand here? Typed programming. No data types required. No header files required. No unnecessary declarations. No semicolons required. And no curly brackets compulsory. No double quotations compulsory. There are the several rules existed. When you are calling a programming language, collection of rules. When you are calling scripting language, no rules applicable. That much powerful scripting. And advantages of scripting languages. Generally, compared to programming languages, scripts are more simple. Scripts are more simple. It is loosely or weakly typed programming. Scripts are becoming more popular due to the emergence of web-based applications. And advantage of scripting languages. Very simple to learn this one. Minimum programming knowledge or experience required. Generally, when you are going to JavaScript, my dears, any programming knowledge experience doesn't require. Voice is not audible. Please talk. Oh my God. This much clearly voice is there. Come on, come on. Emojis. Cool emojis for your friend. Class smoothly running means immediately people are starting. Right, guys. Crystal clear, carry answer. Right. Now, limitations of scripting languages. Generally, scripting languages level much limitations are not there. Main limitation is maybe some scripting languages people are using malicious purpose. Security issues are there. And not always able to work across different browsers. We can't say 100%. So these are only main limitations. Compared to this, there are no more limitations. Security issues across all the browsers supporting like that guarantee is not there. Types of scripts. Generally, scripts are two types: client-side programming, server-side programming. So client-side scripts we can try to observe. The script which is running within the web browser, the script which is running within the web browser is called client-side scripting. Observe: live script, JavaScript, TypeScript, VB-script, Ajax, HTML, dot, Python. All these are comes under client-side programming. Any name you didn't hear, you please let me know it. Python recently entered. Python plus I think JavaScript. So if you are going to study about Python, do this. Check it, Python. Observe. Yes, Google Corporation dot is. Python is very powerful client-side programming. Also is there dot. Dot scripting, you can say. Dot scripting is there. Read out. Dot programming language is important for few reasons. Type safety. Understood? Any other name you are listening newly, let me know it. So client side means within the browser, asynchronous JavaScript and XML, Ajax. Maybe chance is there JavaScript ending time. I'll try to discuss Ajax. Actually, Ajax is not there in our syllabus. Maybe asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Ajax client side as well as Ajax server side also possible. Next one, server side scripts. A script which is running within the web server. A script which is running within the web server. Python. This is world number one. ASP. Internet Information Services. The server name JSP. JSP level Apache Tomcat. Sun Java Systems. Web server, there are many. Next one. PHP. Ruby. I don't know how many of you people heard that one. Node.js. Like this, there are n number of server-side scripts existed. What is the server name we are using in the Python level? Python level server is, what is that one? WSGI, Web Server Gateway Interface. So please, you people, try to remember. Web Server Gateway Interface. Configuration generally in the Django level we are using, because Django level web server is very important. Right. So I don't know how many you people you heard the names of server-side JavaScripts. Right. Groovy is a different scripting ideas. For web services purpose, we are using Groovy. Right. What is JavaScript? Who developed this? JavaScript is the world's most popular programming language. JavaScript official name is ECMAScript. I don't know how many you people heard the name. JavaScript official name is ECMAScript. European Computer Manufacturers Association. That is a simple thing. So I don't know how many you guys heard about these words. So this is only some people are calling ES6. Shall I move forward now? Why we need to study JavaScript? HTML to define the content of web pages. CSS to specify the layout of web pages. JavaScript to program the behavior of web pages. Because of these many reasons, JavaScript we must study. Right. Every version of JavaScript you can understand. Original level, first main revision, second yearly editions, ECMAScript. Right. After that, when I'm coming to features of JavaScript, open source, cross platform, detecting every web browser, and it is mainly to validate the data. What JavaScript can do? JavaScript can change HTML content, can change HTML attributes and values, CSS styles, elements, and it is showing elements also. Right, what are the editors I'm using for JavaScript? Anyone you can use, no problem. Almost all you people are using VS Code, you can continue that one. WebStorm also, no problem. Anybody you are using WebStorm? Any of you guys using WebStorm? No, you're everybody using VS Code only. Very good. Everybody using VS Code, you can continue that. No problem. There is no issue. There is no problem. There is no issue. Right. Lightweight editors available. Lightweight editors are not as powerful IDEs. IDEs different, editors different. Right. Next one. JavaScript syntax. Slowly I'm starting into programming level. Observe everybody. What is the syntax? You can see script type is equal to text or JavaScript. Language is equal to JavaScript. So that is not a compulsory block of statements. You can write syntax to observe. Observe syntax 3 also. There are a couple of syntaxes. Yes, anyone you can use, no problem. Shall I start programming on these 3 syntaxes based? Up to here, whatever theory part I discussed with you, everybody clear? Finally, I'm asking only just 5 questions. What is the original name of JavaScript? What is the original name of JavaScript? Come on, quickly. Live script. Who developed JavaScript? Who developed JavaScript? Braden H. Braden H. Where JavaScript developed? In which organization JavaScript developed? Netscape Corporation. Netscape Corporation. What is the official name of JavaScript? Right, official name of JavaScript is ECMAScript. What is it, ECMA? European Computer Manufacturers Association. European Computer Manufacturers Association. Right. Completed. Now JavaScript level main points clear. Now we'll see practically. Remove all the things whichever existed here. Right, I'm giving script. I'm giving document.write, document.write, welcome to JavaScript, welcome to JavaScript. What extension by default? HTML only, especially you no need to use any extension here. Right. Now we'll observe, is it working or not? By default, .html perfectly working, no issue. Right, now I'm going here. For example, I'm writing, I said a live script. I said JavaScript. What you are getting, you can understand. Displaying only in one line. But you want a multiple line means what we need to use? Which tag we need to use? Break tag we need to use. Come on, not executing. So directly break tag using is not recommended here. So if you are going to use inside the script level break tag, then you need to use in a proper format, you need to use. Now it is working. Come on. So whenever you are going to write that, compulsory you need to use BR tag. Come on, everyone. Right. In this situation, some people are expecting more clarity. First available here, which one? Document. What is the meaning of document? It is an object represents web page. Web page. Next one. Write is the method to display messages on the web page. Messages on the web page. Next one, write completed, document completed. After that one, dot is the operator. Dot is the operator for dot is an operator at object level. Try to understand any more things available here. And some people are asking me, what is script? Script is the tag from HTML. And if you want to write a script inside, type is equal to text or JavaScript. There is no issue. And language is equal to JavaScript. Language is equal to JavaScript. Next one, type is the attribute. Type is the attribute. Text or JavaScript. Text or JavaScript is the parameter or the value. Try to understand. Language is attribute. Language is attribute. Clear or not, you can try to check it every point, everybody. Come on, guys. Any point doubt is there, you can question me. Body level, no need to write. What we need to write, body level, I'll show you. Give me time, my dear. Explanation clear or not, you can check it, everyone. Right, finally all are clear for you. Here you want to use, for example, some kinds of tags. H1 I'm using. You only check it, my dears. Where I use, how I am using H1, you can check it once. Is it working or not working? As you like. So that time BR doesn't require. By default, that is available. Right. Is there, we can see. Perfectly working. Packages concept, we can see. Listen, today only started JavaScript, no, my dears. Packages, libraries, modules will come, all the things. Please concentrate. Today just we started JavaScript, but some people are asking me some different questions. Right, guys. Now I'm giving all these words, you people knows very clearly all these. Come down here, double quotation working, even single quotation also working. There is no issue. Double quotation compulsory, like that issue is not there. Double working, single working. Semicolon you are giving also no problem. Semicolon if you are not giving also no problem. Are you finding any different semicolons? Right. Check it, check it. Now, for example, I'm removing tags here. I'm removing tags here. Also getting executed side by side. Now I'm giving without a comma side by side. It is giving error. Whenever you are writing side by side, semicolon compulsory. Are you following me? When you are writing side by side, semicolon compulsory. Every statement should ends with a semicolon. When you are writing parallelly. Parallelly means a statement beside another statement. Serial means a statement after another statement. Things you are understanding or not, you can check it. Things you are understanding or not, you can try to check it. Right, code observe. Now next line you are giving, not giving break like this also you can use. Many modifications I'm showing. Examples, many modifications I'm showing. Code is clear for you? Come on, the next level. All examples I'm giving. Is there any difference between single quotes and double quotes in JavaScript? Is there any difference between single quotes and double quotes in JavaScript? No. But where we are using single quotes, where we are using double quotes, practically we can check it. Where we are using single quotes, where we are using double quotes, practically we can check it. Command, single and double quotes. You can write the above code with the single quotes too, and it will give the same result. However, if the text contains double quotes that have to be displayed, You should use single quotes to surround the text as. Clear, everyone? I'm using double quotes. I'm using single quotes. Double quotes working perfectly. Single quotes working perfectly. Double quotes inside I'm giving. Single quotes. And the next one, single quotes inside I'm giving double quotes working perfectly. Observe program properly, everyone. Yes, clear. Now, for example, I'm taking single inside single. Success or failure? Single inside single. Come on, single inside single, success or failure? Failure. Check it once. Now I'm going to provide in this situation. Now you can check it. Observe where I use the backslash character. Please observe the programming properly, mainly new members. Proper name is not there in the meeting, will remove from the meeting. 5, 6 members, proper name is not there. Please check your name properly. 100% JavaScript understanding guarantee. You come with a proper name into meeting. Already I removed 2 members. Right. What is the character name we are calling here? What is the character name we are calling? Escape sequences. Right. Now again, double quotation inside double quotation, we can check it. Double inside double. Not possible. Check it where I need to modify, how I need to modify. Right. Come on, remind members what you are doing. Outside, outside. Observe everyone. Right. No, right ln is a different purpose. I'll show you. Divyashree. What is the purpose of right ln? We can see. Code, are you observing lines? The syntactically, are you clear, everybody? Right, very good. Check it once again, syntactically things here. Difference between document.write and window.document.write. There is no difference between the above two statements. Window object is highest level object. We can say like a class. Window always representing web browser. Without browser, is there any meaning of web page? Without browser, is there any meaning of web page? Browser is the window. Document is web page. It can contain other objects and their methods. Hence, document is an object contained inside the window object. Write is a method of document object. Check it once, the difference between document and window. Clear means theory. I'll go to example. Now I'm giving one good example for window.document.write. Right, lot of examples today we've seen. Some more examples. Now here I'm removing. Oh, people are asking me, please stop, enough today. No, sir, enough. Yes, sir, enough. Please complete the example. Okay, I'll complete the example. Window.document.write. So welcome to window object. Welcome to document object. That is only page object. So is there any difference? Both are working perfectly. Come on. Window is the default object. You no need to write. If you write a window or if you didn't write a window, nothing happens. It is a default object that I made already very clearly, you people. Starting only I said the point. Clear? Right. So many examples I'm providing in today's JavaScript level. Just the basics I provided. Today, number of examples are there. Come on, guys. Perfectly practice JavaScript today. Some new members attended. Try to study. Introduction to JS. So all examples you can try to study. One minute, I'm uploading. Thank you, everyone. Catch you people tomorrow. You have any technical questions, please ping here. Hope you are understanding things here. Yes, I have interest to discuss another half an hour, but all people are saying, please stop, please stop. We can't do anything. We can't do anything. Tomorrow onwards, at least practice and tell me. Please try to adjust at least 5:20, 5:30 like that. Otherwise, JavaScript will take 2 months time. Otherwise, JavaScript will take 2 months time.